Hey everyone, I hope you're doing well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from crypto.com to your Coinbase. So first thing you need to do is open up your crypto.com app and then you have to click on this accounts option from the bottom of your screen. After that, you have to click on this crypto wallet section and then on this screen you will be able to see all of your cryptocurrency that you currently have in your account. Now from here you have to select the cryptocurrency that you want to transfer. In our case, we are transferring USDT, so I will just click on it. Then on the screen you have to click on this transfer button and then from this pop-up window you have to click on withdraw and then another pop-up window will open up. From here you have to click on this last option, external wallet. Then on the screen you have to click on this link called add wallet address. Just tap on it and then this window will open up where you have to paste the wallet address from your Coinbase. So open up your Coinbase app and then you have to click on this menu icon or this 9 dots at the top left corner of your screen. Then from this screen you have to click on this receive button and in the search bar you have to select search for the cryptocurrency that you want to receive. In our case we are receiving USDT, so we'll just type USDT in the search bar and then select the USDT from here and then you just have to choose the network. So make sure the network you choose in here, or you also have to choose the same network in crypto.com. So just select the network that you want to use and then you will be able to get your wallet address. So just click on this copy button right next to your address and then go back to your crypto.com app and then paste the wallet address in this area and then enter your wallet name and then click on continue. After that your wallet address will be added here. All you need to do is click on this withdraw button right next to the wallet address. Then this might show you the screen, so click on confirm and withdraw. After that just enter the amount how much you want to transfer in your local currency and then click on withdraw. And lastly just confirm these details. Make sure your wallet address and the loan and your network type is match in your both of your applications. So once you confirm these details, click on confirm button and lastly enter your passcode. And once you do that, your cryptocurrency will be transferred or your USDT will be transferred from crypto.com to your Coinbase.